So we
nearly finished the body, but only we saw still has a lot of things.
yeah. So there's a lot of plumbing to do, and there's some other things that we're going to try to do. But this one's getting closer to looking good. So in this one, what we're doing is putting water and coolant through this, and then we're putting this in a box, and the exhaust flows over this, and the exhaust is cooled and condensed, and then we drain the water out into a tank. So on the exhaust, this is like a reverse EGR cooler. So the hot air is flowing over the fins in reverse to normal, and then the tank is containing the exhaust around the fins, and so the cold water is running through here, and then the condensed water flows down the fins, and we collect the condensed water and recycle it at the bottom. So this box is getting built into this exhaust outlet, and because we have 200 kilopascals of pressure, we'd only have steam in that muffler, stainless muffler, but then we will condense the exhaust here and drain it off halfway up the main exhaust pipe. The EGR is connecting up in here in a hose fitting which comes down on the inside of the pipe, so it's catching about 20 to 30%.